Why does your scanner show the P1610 engine code? What does it mean? P1610 is a diagnostic trouble code for lock mode. It indicates that there is a communication problem between the engine control module, ECM, and the Immobilizer control unit. The Immobilizer control unit is located at the ignition lock cylinder in the steering column. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty immobilizer system. Key or transponder issue. Wiring or connection problems. ECM issue. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This engine code appears in various OBD2 vehicles, especially in Nissan models: Altima, Maxima, Rogue, Sentra, Murano, Frontier, Pathfinder, Juke, Titan. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.